Hey everyone, welcome back. So I got a package here from Loolinn. All right, let's see what they sent me. Oh, let's go. A drone. All right, let's go. It's a U61 Loolinn drone, as you can see here. Woo! It states here 2.4 gig Wi-Fi FPV drone with camera. Check it out. I'm excited. Photo, video, all this custom flight route. Woo! Let's see what's inside. Remote control, drone, USB charger, propeller, and user manual, and the battery. Wow, quick start, how to fly. It's got the instructions here on how to do it. Inside, oh, that's the drone. That's actually pretty small. Wow. The drone can fit inside my hand. That's pretty cool. Then in this, I'm going to assume is the charger. And underneath this is the remote control for the drone. All right, so in that little box, it comes with a charger here, a tool with the USB cable, some propellers, and I'm assuming these are 2 battery packs. And of course, a giant thick user manual. So this is everything you can see here that comes in the package. I was actually wrong. This is a clip for the controller for your phone. So the drone comes with USB rechargeable batteries, but the actual remote, you need batteries to operate, which I hate using batteries unless they're rechargeable. So that's something they could probably improve upon in the future. I figured I might as well charge the batteries. Red means they're charging, and green, solid green, means they're fully charged. So we gotta wait for this too. Battery is fully charged and ready to go. All right, so we put the battery pack in there. Make sure it's closed, and then we turn this bad boy on and see what happens. All right, we should be ready to go. So hard to do with one hand. On power.
Pretty easy to control, eh?
Yeah, it is. A little touchy, but once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. Just a pretty fun drone for kids and stuff.
Oh. Oh, yeah. It always wants to go higher. What the hell is happening?
Maybe the battery's dying? Yeah, the battery's dying on it.
Shit.
So this little Loolinn drone is a lot of fun. I didn't even have to tell my dad what to do, and he picked it up really quick. We're gonna test it out with my mom in a few minutes here. I just wanted to say, you can either watch through your phone on where you're going, or you can just pick it up with the controller and just kind of look at where it's going. Either way works really well. So I totally recommend this drone for anyone who has kids or children or just kind of wanting to get into it without spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's a really cheap, durable drone that you can get on Amazon. Like the first time I tried it, I actually crashed it and it took no damage whatsoever. So if you're not sure you want to get into drones and you're kind of curious, I recommend this one to start off for like anybody that's just trying to get into it, just to get a feel for it, to see how it is, as well as anyone who has kids and just want to get them a cool gift just to have some fun with, because this is definitely something that kids would love to, you know, just take out to fly around the house. And also just like you can videotape and take photos with it, which is really cool too. I'll be putting a link in the description to the Amazon for it. And yeah, definitely check them out. Shout out to Loolinn for hooking me up. I really appreciate it. This was a lot of fun. This would be perfect for a birthday gift, Christmas, or just a gift that you want to get your kid in general just for fun. So like, yeah, even for yourself, keep that in mind. Mom's first time trying the drone.
Right. Oh, stop. Down. Roll down.
Be gentle with it.
Roll down. Down. No, over here.
I am.
No, don't.
It's covering. I don't like that thing.
Takes practice and then you get better at it.
Yeah, look at what it did to my hair.
We're not supposed to ram it into yourself.
I am. It ran into me.
You're the one that's controlling it.
No, I did not. It just controlled by itself. It just attacked me. It's going to attack you. Look at that.
Am I scaring you?
I'm coming to get you.
There's a lot of air coming.
You want it to land in your hand?
You want?
Oh. Let's go! Perfect landing.
That's pretty cool. Let's do up.
So what'd you think of the drone?
It was pretty cool until it hurt me.
You're not supposed to ram it into yourself.
I did it. It attacked me.
Yeah, it's got AI.
It attacked me.
Uh-huh.
I didn't do anything. It just kept...
Yeah. What do you think about it?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty neat for a kid's toy, yeah?
Yep. Nothing? Yeah.
Well, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
That's a bit.
A little bit, but not too
A
bad.
bit of a red mark.
Yeah, it's not too
Red
bad.
mark there, red mark there.
I mean, for a little kid, it might be a
That's-
little scary at first, but it
No,
doesn't.
that would hurt a kid's finger.
Yeah, but
You look at the red mark there, red mark.
yeah,
there.
but it doesn't like cut the skin,
No, it
so
doesn't
it's
cut it,
fine.
but it's
just kind of like
we
a-
got thick skin.
I also just wanted to point out, I didn't film this video with my GoPro. I filmed it with my iPhone. It's my first time filming with an iPhone, so let me know how it turned out and if you like the new iPhone rather than the GoPro, and you all know what to do. Like this video, comment down below if you've tested out drones or you're going to check out this drone or other drones and what drones you do use if you do, and also click that subscribe button down below for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care and peace out.